Hey everyone, today we're replacing the battery on a customer's ZTE Nubia Z50S Pro. The battery is badly swollen from heavy use. It's pushed the back cover open. That's definitely not safe to keep using. A swollen battery like this can tear screen flex cables, crack the back cover, or even worse puncture and catch fire. Normally, we'd use a magic self-heating pad to warm up the back cover and soften the adhesive. But since the cover is already slightly lifted, we'll slip a pry card into the gap and apply some isopropyl alcohol around the edges. Work your way slowly around the perimeter. Keep applying alcohol, especially near the corners. Alcohol is extremely helpful. It dissolves the adhesive without damaging components. And the best part is, after it evaporates, the glue can regain some stickiness. That's useful because original adhesive is hard to come by, so if we can preserve the old layer, that's ideal. Once we're in, you'll see the battery right in the center. Let's remove the screws holding the upper cover plate. Carefully lift the metal cover. Watch out, there's a flex cable for the flash still attached to the main board. Next, we disconnect the battery. There are two connectors. Start with the one on the left, then unplug the one on the right. Now, disconnect any additional flex cables connected to the motherboard. This gives us room to safely remove the battery. Removing the battery is the most difficult part of this whole repair. Drip plenty of isopropyl alcohol underneath it. The adhesive underneath is super strong. Don't try to force it out dry. If you pry the battery with too much force, you risk bending or puncturing it, and that can be dangerous. Let the alcohol sit for a bit and soften the glue. Then try again, gently working your way from one edge. Once it starts to lift, the rest will come out quite smoothly, like slicing through butter. Alright, time to reassemble. Reconnect all the smaller flex cables first, then plug in the new battery last. Just like we unplugged it, connect the right battery connector first, then the left one. When reinstalling the cover plate, don't forget to reconnect the flash flex cable. Screw everything back in securely, don't leave any loose ends. Time for a test, let's power it up. If it boots and everything works, including charging and touch, we're good to seal it up. Since we preserved the original adhesive on the back cover and it's still sticky, we'll reuse it. Add a small amount of extra glue around the edge to make sure it holds. Don't overdo it, you don't want it squeezing out the sides. Press the back cover down firmly. If you have a heat gun or hairdryer, a bit of warming helps it bond better. Use rubber bands to hold it in place for a couple of hours while it cures. And that's it, the battery has been successfully replaced. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, we're happy to help.